Here's a quick and simple guide on how to import a Notion link to Asana. If you're looking for an easy way to transfer your tasks or notes between these two popular tools, you're in the right place, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share a special extended free trial offer for Asana. Now, if you're not familiar with Asana, it's a task management tool that helps teams organize and track their work. Notion, on the other hand, is great for note-taking, databases, and collaborative content creation. Being able to import a Notion link into Asana can really help streamline your workflow. First thing, let's make sure you're prepared. You'll need both your Notion account and Asana account ready. If you don't have them yet, check out the first link below for an exclusive free trial of Asana. Next thing you'll need is the Notion link that you want to import into Asana. If you're importing a page or a database, simply go to your Notion page, click the three dots on the top right of the page, and choose Copy Link. You'll need this link for the next steps. The third thing you need to do is open up Asana and find the project or task list where you want to import your Notion link. You can either create a new project or add it to an existing one. Once you're inside the project, click to add a new task. After that, in the task description or comments section, paste the Notion link you copied earlier. This is where the magic happens. By pasting the link into Asana, it'll automatically turn into a clickable hyperlink. Anyone who clicks on the link will be redirected straight to the Notion page. This is perfect for integrating your notes, documents, and any other information stored in Notion right into your tasks in Asana. The fifth thing to know is that if you're using the Asana web version, you can also add additional context to the task by including details about the Notion page. For example, you can add a short description, a checklist, or even due dates in Asana while keeping your Notion content linked right there. One last tip, if you're looking to automate this process further, there are third-party integration tools like Zapier that allow you to set up automatic actions between Notion and Asana. This can save you a lot of time if you're frequently transferring data between these platforms. Remember, you can use Asana for free, and if you sign up through the first link below, you get an exclusive extended free trial with some awesome bonuses. This is a great opportunity to explore how Asana can work for your team without any commitment. So, there you have it. Importing Notion links into Asana is quick and easy, and with the right setup, you can take full advantage of both platforms.